Today we are taking advantage of our first very cold morning that we've had so far to do a little testing. And it's a great opportunity to run the system. We've got some new snowmakers coming on board, so we're doing some training, and just sort of gets everybody pumped up for the ski season.
From now to the opening of season, how much do you still have to do?
We're still going to be doing a lot of testing. So we like to run all the pipelines, test our hydrants, and again, it's a perfect opportunity to do some training. Well, it's not cold out, so the crew gets a chance to experience what it means to make snow without the pressure of the cold weather.
I'll say it was a little cold.
Well, this morning is cold, but it's going to warm up. So if you freeze something today, it's not a big deal.
In addition to the snowmaking, just listing off a few other things, what still has to be checked off the list before you guys are ready?
Okay, well, before we're we're basically ready now. We've got some more work to do, obviously, on the new Bethlehem, the EQ. Got some ramps to build. There's still some trail work that needs to get done. And again, for snowmaking wise, we've got hydrant. Whenever we do these tests, things come up. So now we've got a list on the board that's hydrant maintenance, tower gun maintenance. So we'll just be picking away at that list over the next 2-3 weeks, looking for an early November startup as soon as the weather gets cold.
I love it when I saw you. You had a big smile on your face.
Well, we all get kind of excited, you know. I start dreaming about skiing around September 30th, so.
Black Diamond has now been elevated to a double black.
Yeah.
Explain how that works.
Well, we decided to make it a double black diamond. It does have a pretty cool cliff band in it, so there is you're going to have to do a little cliff drop. So we just felt that was the appropriate difficulty rating.
Condé Nast.
Yes.
So the national survey.
Yes.
Puts us at number 3 in the United States of America.
I know.
When you read that, what did you think?
I think it's very cool. Very well deserved. We have a great crew of people here, a wonderful team that makes it all happen, and our guests really appreciate the effort that we put in, and we love having them. So it's a great mountain.